Guys, let's see in this particular video like how to get a good supplier for your drop shipping option. Guys, before getting onto it, let's please make sure that you understand what is drop shipping. I have put videos basically what is drop shipping and how it is going to help in a bigger way in getting onto your e-commerce business, guys. So make sure you understand about drop shipping and what is drop shipping and what is the things you have to do behind drop shipping. Guys, before getting onto this video, please subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of my videos in terms of drop shipping, guys. Like let's say like how we could get supplier for drop shipping, guys. Like as we all know, like China is a major contributor for products. Name any products from a product which is of almost cents to bigger products. Everything China manufactures are very low cost, and nobody can match that cost. Almost 90% of electronic products comes from one particular city called Shenzhen, guys. So let's see, guys. There are two particular sites, guys. One is Alibaba and another one is AliExpress. So let's see, like we are seeing for like fashion dresses. Okay, so fashion dress we can see. So if you see here, like you could see a lot of things are popping up, and you need to make sure like whether this uh, there will be two kinds of suppliers basically, and you need to correctly find the manufacturers basically. And there will be also trading sitting in this Alibaba website, and he'll be acting as a hub between manufacturer and you. And you there will be a difference in cost, so that for that you have to make sure that you are correctly going and see what is the correct pricing he is giving in. So let's see, I'm taking this product and I'm just getting on here, and I'm seeing like $5.6 like, and he says that for greater than 300 pieces and less than 299 pieces we can even get for what is that 5.3 $5.60. And initially, you can make sure that you can buy also samples basically, and one piece you can order, and you can see like uh, uh, what is that you are getting out of this product, and accordingly you can put in your drop shipping option, and you can even contact this supplier here, and you can tell that I'm doing a drop shipping business, whether you can ship. I have a predefined template, guys. If you want, you can comment in my video so that I could send you a predefined template wherein you could put it here, and you could say that I need 100 pieces or 1000 pieces here, so that you will get an immediate attention. And then you can put your WhatsApp number, everything here, so that it will be easy for you to communicate. And make sure that you are having 3 to 5 suppliers in hand, and you can negotiate accordingly. So once you send it, definitely you are going to get a response from us, since you are going to get put more pieces as order, like in order to get the attention. Then later you can negotiate, stating that I am going to have order more, so that I need this one product also with $5.60. If you negotiate, definitely he is going to come down, because when he is going to give $5.6 for 299 pieces, even for one order, one piece he can give same 5.9 $5.6 dollars, which is very much, which is almost 350 rupees. Definitely in any part of the world it is very difficult to get. And also you could see like what is this company information, like we go here, you could see like they are having this as their company, and what they are doing here, and what is their rating here, and people have excellent, must contribute to all the pictures. Okay, and here also you can see, guys, like what is about their company informations and everything. Okay, and in this way, like you could see like whether this product suits you or not, and you can search. Even you could search for mobile accessories. Okay, it's very, I mean, definitely get at a very good pricing all those mobile accessories. If you see flexible mobile phone accessory, silicone cell phone, like it is 0.65 to 0.8, and you can put it, and here also you can keep it. And you could see a lot of things, mobile phone holder bracket, like, and definitely that you will not get at that price in the local market here, even in India or in US or in any place. And accordingly you could order, guys, like based upon, and you could also check in Google whatever products they have in Alibaba or anything, and similar product, I mean Amazon or anything, and similar products you could see it here, and you could see what is the difference in Amazon or what is the difference in other dropshipping website, and you could see like what is the difference they keep in Alibaba. Then you could contact them and you could make sure that you are do it. And also you could see there is a verified supplier which is done through a program by Alibaba itself, and here you could see only verified suppliers, so there you can get an additional attention. And also you could see that supplier is whether he is existing business or more than 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. If it is more than 1 year, it is predominantly good. As long as you get your product, then it is going to be easy. Like it is between you and supplier, and you are going to negotiate 5 different suppliers minimum, and you arrive at the deal with one particular supplier later. And as you grow, the supplier will make sure that he is giving as much as products to you, so that he will also grow, and you will also grow. Like, and there is one more site, AliExpress. But I feel Alibaba is good, but still in AliExpress also you could check all the products listed here also, and here also you could get various products based. So that's it, guys. In terms of getting a right supplier for your drop shipping business, go to Alibaba and AliExpress and make a research for at least a period of month in this COVID period, and definitely you're going to succeed in making a good product. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, so that you will not miss any of my videos. Thank you.